Biweekly context 175. Question number 3. Longest strictly increasing subsequence with non-zero bitwise end. This is a medium problem. The first idea is I want to turn this one question into two questions. First, bitwise. Second, increasing subsequence. The reason I'm doing this way is the increasing subsequence is a very classical problem, and we can use the LS algorithm to find it out. The second point for bitwise, I have this really stupid idea. How can we make sure a bitwise of a sequence is non-zero? Then there must be some bits in each number in this array with digit 1 instead of digit 0. Say otherwise, if there's a digit 0 in any number in this subsequence, then the final bitwise will be 0 for sure. In this case, if we can try it 32 times, which is to go through all the possible bits, we just repeat it for 32 times, which is stupid, but still 32 is a constant number and it won't affect the final big O. So it is a possible solution. So then the question will be, first do a list, second run it 32 times. But how do we find out the longest increasing subsequence? The basic algorithm for this is if we maintaining a list and we go through each number in this array to see if we can append this new number into this array, or we have to update this number within this array. But this dense gonna be the dense we are looking for. But that's the solution we're gonna solve this problem.